Today we are creating this beautiful painting. I like doing it because while we are having a good time and creating this gorgeous art, we are releasing stress and obtaining many health benefits. For this project, we can use art paper or black canvas. Also, to keep our design symmetrical, we need to have some guidelines. If you want to see how to make them easy and quick, please watch this video. We need some dotting tools. The paints are white pearl, teal, sapphire, ice blue, and glorious gold. Also, we need some black paint and a small brush. We start with the main and the largest dot in the center, in the color of sapphire, using tool number 15. Then, in the color of teal, we use tool number 2.5. First, we dot crisscross and then fill in between. White pearl number 3. Glorious gold number 5. Ice blue number 6. Here you can see that I messed up. If you do, it's easy to fix. Using the brush, remove the mess as best you can. Then paint it over with black. Let it dry and it's ready to go. White pearl 0.5 dots all around. White pearl 0.5 2 dots. Glorious gold tool number 1 2 dots. Every time you feel like it looks too flat, add some more paint on top. Just use a smaller size tool and you will see right away that dots will stand out. Teal, tool number 12. White pearl number 5. White pearl number 3, taper. Sapphire number 6. Sapphire number 4, 2 dots. Sapphire number 3, taper. Glorious gold number 8. Glorious gold number 6. Glorious gold number 4. Glorious gold number 3, taper. Teal number 12. White pearl number 5. White pearl number 3, taper. Sapphire number 6. Sapphire number 4. Sapphire number 3, taper. Glorious gold number 8. Glorious gold number 6. Glorious gold number 4. Glorious gold number 3 and taper. Teal 12. white pearl number 5, white pearl number 3, sapphire number 6, sapphire number 4, sapphire number 3, taper, glorious gold number 8, glorious gold number 6, 2 dots, glorious gold number 4, 2 dots, glorious gold number 3, taper, ice blue number 6, ice blue number 4, 2 dots, ice blue number 3, all around, at the end, we add some more paint on top to create more texture. Ice blue number 3, 1 dot on top. Ice blue 0.5, taper on the top. White pearl 0.3, small dots all around the ice blue dots. And after that, taper on the top in the corner section. Sapphire 6, 1 dot in the corner. Sapphire tool number 1, taper. And now my favorite moment. Mix the remaining colors with white and add them on top of the dots using smaller tools. It brings up the color, adds more texture, and makes the painting come alive. You can see how it elevates the vibrancy and definition, as well as elevates our mood and the sense of accomplishment. What a beautiful painting! What a great feeling! I hope you enjoyed creating this gorgeous art with me and are encouraged to create your own. Please like and subscribe, and see you on the next one.